Hi everyone, this is me Hamid and you're watching Design with Hamid. This video we're going to learn how to make a film author logo. So here I take one file 600 by 600 pixel. Okay, this is my artboard. With Control Shift or show the Shift O we can change the artboard size. Here I come, I take one pen tool. Okay, here I click and I click here. Okay, so there is anchor point. Okay, with the help of anchor point, so I know that what I'm going to do. See, so the anchor point can guide me. It's from view we can off and on. Okay, I see there is nothing, so I don't know what to do with my line now. Here I take one smart guide. Okay, I click here and there. Okay, after that I just right click, transform, reflect, and I reflect vertically and copy, and this is I just bring it backward and just select zoom and backward. Okay, and I will merge this with the pathfinder. There, this is the shape. Yeah, here I come. From here we can you can get it the excuse me, yeah, you can get the pathfinder, and I click on the pathfinder so it's merged, and I will take one line. So actually I'm going to make like a pin logo design. Okay, so it's author logo, so that I have to mention some pin logo design, film author. So that's how we'll do it. Just increase the line width. We take circle and I draw the circle here. Okay, little bit bigger, but I think it will work. I will make it a little smaller. Okay, yeah, this is correct. Now I will select both, go to object, and I will expand as expand, and then I will merge so everything will be clean, and then I will divide it. Okay, right click and group, and this I will clean. It's mean clean, I will delete it. Okay, command Y or control Y, you can take the outline view as well. This is my pin logo now. So I have to apply the film icon. I have to make one film icon as well. I take rectangle and I draw like that as I'm doing here. Okay, uh, after that I'm going to zoom it a little bit. Yeah, this is perfect. Okay, yeah, then I draw one another rectangle, so this will be the cross line. I just press shift and just rotate it one time. Press shift and rotate it one time. Okay, the line I will remove it because I don't need that. It should be very clean, and I just take one pen tool and draw this one to make this shape, and I will make it zoom because there is will be something. Yeah, there is some white area I have to fill it. Okay, so as I'm clicking it's not working. Let's come to open pixel grid. I have to off this, so now it's easy to work on it. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so this is what I make, and then I will make a merge. Okay, so we'll just make it a little smaller, and I will bring it down. As I bring it down I will make it white, so I will know exactly what I'm going to make. Okay, I just press 1 and control D. Okay, control D, so you will get the duplicate copies. So this is how I make my film icon. Okay, group, and I will make it centralize. As I make it centralize, this little smaller, and I will remove the line as well from here, so it will look cleaner, little smaller more. Okay, and this uh, I will divide it. Okay, no, I will choose divide. Okay, so ungroup, and I will clean as well even. And with the control Y, command Y in MacBook, we can get the outline view. On this I will click now. The top area look bigger, so I will take one rectangle, make it white or black, but I just take it for to get the exact look what I'm doing now. 8 and divide and clean this as well. Okay, divide and group and clean. See that area you have to clean, this one, that one, and that one. Yeah, now I will click and transform reflect with horizontally and take one copy, and I will bring it up. Yeah, I will bring it up here just a little bit down, and I will take rotate or command, and I will click on this area. So this is the baseline, and I will move from the right side, so it will look like, yeah, it will look like film icon. Yeah, exactly. So this is I'm going to make perfect. I will make just little gray color, and I will rename it here with the film author, and slogan will be we write stories. Okay, control Z, and film author, done. We write stories. Spelling is correct. Let me check. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, I will change the font Helvetica. I love this font, and this one, the slogan, I will make it regular. Okay, it's little make smaller, and alt and with arrow. Alt plus arrow, alt plus right arrow, so you can get the spacing between words. Okay, I will make this a little bigger. I think it's more bigger, and I will make it centralize. Okay, and I will group this with Control G. Okay, and this is group, and I will make it in center. Yeah, so this is the logo, film author logo, how to make. It's really simple, easy. Just I want to share that with you. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share my videos. Leave your comment which video I should make about graphic design, any printing work, or any related design question you have. You can leave comment. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.